My name is Charlie King. I'm going to be doing my skills video for transferring from bed to chair. This is going to be my patient, and role play. I'm going to start off by shutting the door as well as pulling the curtain across for patient privacy, and then performing hand hygiene. Hi sir, my name is Charlie. I'm going to be your nurse today. I'm going to assist you with getting from the bed to the chair, okay?
Okay.
Can you get your first and last name, please?
Ryan Webb,
Thank you. And your date of birth?
12/15/81.
Thank you. And I confirm the two identifiers with his wristband. Both match. All right, Mr. Webb. Let's start with getting some non-slip footwear on your feet. Looks like you raise your foot for me. There we go. And this one here. All right. Let me get this belt around your chest so we can keep you nice and tight. All right, can you raise your arms for me? Thank you. As I place the gait belt around Mr. Webb, I'm ensuring that it's in the proper position, as well as the buckle is not in contact with the skin. And then also that it's not too tight. Mr. Webb, if you can take a deep breath for me. Now you go relax, good. All right, so Mr. Webb can still take a deep breath, but the belt's still in a good safe position, that it's secure. All right, Mr. Webb. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna count to 3 as I say each number. I'm gonna have you rock, or excuse me, lean forward, and then on 3, I'll have you stand, okay? After you stand, we'll then pivot and we'll sit in the chair.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds good.
All right. Got a good firm grasp of the gait belt underneath the armpits. All right, Mr. Webb. 1, or excuse me, I'm gonna say ready and then I'll start counting. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Good. All right. And then I'm gonna pivot, so let's move feet together whenever you're ready. All right, and then on 3, I'll assist you with sitting. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, comfortable?
I'm comfortable.
All right, so I'll remove the gait belt from Mr. Webb. Good. As well as these footwear. Keep the equipment nearby in case he wants to go back to the bed. And I will then sanitize my hands again and document the procedure.